Oh, it's going to be a bit different today. Well, it'll be a quick one because I'm watering and I've bought stuff. Hold on. Insulation to start. Ooh. An actual dustpan and brush. I've been to B&M. I really need one. And I could not find the brush that I had with the old pan. And look. Ooh, mealworms. Yay. Thanks for the suggestion, Linda. I'm going to put some out today. And this, because I've got my French climbing beans need to be come out, and there's some holes on plot 26 that I can utilise, but that's a whole another day's project. Probably the next day. Just put them down. Oh, it's hot in here, I'll tell you that. It's roasting. Yeah, I'm just going to sort the camera out. Back in the tip. Oh. Right, I've done the watering. I haven't filmed it because it's a bit busy and it's a Saturday, so this will probably go out on a Tuesday. But what I did want to do was measure. You can tell I'm really hot, can't you? Oh, and with watering, don't worry about the watering. You're only seeing clips. What I do is I water, let it fill that puddle area, it drains, and then I come back to it and do a second and sometimes a third. I will film it in its actual time, which will take about 20 plus minutes, just so you can see. But it's like precise watering rather than massive gush with water going everywhere, because that's how I like to do it. So let's do some measuring. Got tape, got my you know, the wall side. It's just for plywood, so I just get an idea of how much it might cost, how much I might need. Look at my face, I'm boiling red. Obviously I will be lining first, and I'm probably going to do the window wall first because I want to get this cabinet back. And you're all right, let's keep it. I think it's well worth keeping, and I will paint it because it looks a bit grim, but with friendship paint's really durable, so maybe I should measure that first. Let's get into it. It's a bit tricky. I've got to move this. Hold up. This is heavy. Oh, let's get that over there. Let's just do the wall side first, because I'll show you what I'm looking at. So I really need to measure from there, the middle to the middle, and on that side too. That's got this batten in the way, so I'm gonna focus on this area because then I can get the cabinet back. I have to keep the costs down because it's going to cost quite a bit of money, and it's baby steps. So in terms of cost, if I do a little bit at a time, it doesn't feel so. I just can't. Well, just haven't got the money for that. So a little bit at a time. So this is me working out how much it will cost to get the amount of very thin ply, perfect for shed. What's the word? Shed lining. Right, let's get this first measurement done. It's got to be precise because I'm going to have them cut. Oh, let's check that again. See what this one is. Actually, it might be the same. Yeah, 75 centimetres across. So the window side, so there's a batten there. Check out, I'll just show you what I'm drawing. Batten there, batten there, batten at the bottom. Oh, there is 2 battens there, and I'm probably going to have to add batten there in order to do a cross this way. So yeah, so there, right in the middle is 75 centimetres. Same on that side. Right in the middle, 75 centimetres. Then I want to do height, which is, and that's batten to batten, in fact, it's, you know, halfway across. Let's not forget, because we need to be able to obviously screw it in. Right, let's measure that. Okay, this one, so you can do it to the floor actually, would be 98.5. Oops, so I measured that one actually. Halfway long. 98.5 centimetres, or 985 millimetres. Then let's measure that one. It would be a bit awkward, that one, because yeah, I reckon I can get it. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to go with it. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, from the bottom, and that's probably going to be the same. 98.5. Oh God, it's hot. I'm just going to put 985 millimetres. I'm going to convert it to millimetres after this. So that's this area. This is the area I'm going to work on first. These can wait. Yeah, I do need to, I want to get ply for this bit to fix the holes. Or does anyone have any suggestions? I've looked at expanding foam, which looks really messy. You know, so you can see all the holes. This all needs, because it's all where the wood's warped, but I don't want the cheapest, most effective method. What I was thinking, and I'll go around the other side, is basically put ply all along down there for the top half, so that when it rains, obviously it will be painted, or fill it from the inside. I don't know. I think ply on the outside, large piece of ply cut to size, fitted in, screwed in, and then painted. This is nice. Look at this. This is mine. And look, I think I've got globe artichokes, and I've never actually ever had globe artichokes, and I've never even eaten them. So if anyone's had them, what do they taste like? This is all the back of end of this compost that needs sorting. All right. So look, and they're cute. So yeah, that'll be an interesting one to watch, and maybe even cook with in my cooking channel, Budget Cooking UK, if you haven't heard of it already. Hot, man. Right, let's go back in the shed. So I'm going to put some of this in a little box right outside the shed. I can't think of anywhere else at the moment. I haven't got anything flat, but I'll show you in a minute where I'm going to put it. And I'm not going to leave it here because I'm worried about mice. So I will take it home, but bring it with me, keep it in my bag until I need pegs or something that I can seal it with. Ooh, Robin, Mr. Robin, this is for you. Right, let me show you where I'm going to put it. That might be a good spot, I don't know. Away from wildlife, but it has these, which actually might be quite useful. Probably living in them. Ugh. Let me just brush that out. This is why I've got a dustpan. Woohoo! Right. Okay, let's give it a brush out. Let's put some mealworm there, and hopefully Mr. Robin works out it's there. Ooh. There you go. Hopefully Mr. Robin knows it's there. Yeah. Right. Whew. Right, everybody. Oh, thanks for watching. I don't know how long this is. Oh, let's do a bit of peppermint spray, eh? If anything. Oh, it smells great. Right. Okay. What was I going to say? Oh my God, it's so hot. Whew. Yeah. See you on the next one. I can't think what I was going to say. My mind's gone blank. and I'm probably going to remember the minute I turn this camera off. So I'm going to say goodbye. Take care, everybody. It's a really hot... Oh, that's it. Al's gone for a lads weekend, and it involves dressing up as a fancy dress, and I'm going to put a clip here of what he's dressed as, because we worked really hard on it. Fake beard. I'll say no more. Can you guess who he is? And thanks for everybody's suggestions of the shed colour. I will come to that, and I'm going to, on camera as it were, like on Coffee and Comments, log every single what you've logged. So see, whichever's the most will be the winning shed colour. I do need to work out what to do with the holes, like there, before I paint it. But it means I can order the paint once you've decided. So it'd be really fun to do that. Anyway, did I say it already? Oh, he's getting to me. I will do that clip of Al in his fancy dress, and you can guess what he is. 10 points for the people that can guess the correct character. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully early in the morning next time. Well, definitely, because that's much more preferable to this heat. Everything's had a good water, and I've done the measurements, so it'll be really interesting to see how much it costs for that ply. I've got the thermal, so there's a progress basically, especially the next time I can, and I've got a dustpan to get into the crevices. Okay, take care. Bye. I'll leave you with some nice sunshine and